All right, here we go. General AI impact on U.S. market. Look at this, 30% currently.
Yeah,
And
can
so-
you scroll,
and-
scroll
and-
down there? Let's see
Yeah,
what it
let's
is.
let's scroll down. There's 30% jobs in 2030. 60%.
So yeah, all the entry level jobs,
Yeah.
are what's at risk. So don't be mid.
Yeah, don't be mid. You gotta,
You gotta up your game.
Yeah, because we're already like, I don't know, we're already not like going to the bank. Remember, there was a huge bank teller that we were lined up the door to get our money. Now it's either direct deposit, but if we do get a check, we can just take a picture with our phones and it goes directly to our bank.
Yeah,
And,
daily I would go to the bank, make deposits.
Yeah.
And now you have less people using cash.
Yes.
Everybody's either using a card, using Zelle,
Yeah.
PayPal, whatever
Cash
it
App,
is. Yeah,
whatever
so-
you have in your
So it's
yeah.
very little bit amount of cash, and then a lot of people still use checks, like businesses.
Yeah.
But a lot of them have been doing these type of vendor payments where they'll send you a credit card number through email, and it's a credit card that would expire, and it's made only for that payment.
Wow, that's
so-
pretty cool. I heard about those types of payments.
Yes,
I've never actually came across it, but I did hear about it.
Well, we do them all the time. You
Yeah.
know, like some of our clients, that might be a HOA association or one of our franchise. Well, most of our franchise clients that either have burger franchises, pizza franchises. That's how they will pay us. They'll send it through email, and you just copy and paste the credit card information. And so that's pretty nifty way of doing your accounting. I guess it makes it easier for them to make sure the payment ends up in the right place.
Wow.
So
Wow, that's crazy. And I feel bad for those other entry level people.
like the tellers at the bank. I'm sorry, we drifted off there. But
We sure did. We sure did. Yeah. So there's only like two tellers. When I went there at the bank for very rare occasions, I see two tellers, and now I see all the different machines that you automatically, there's payment there. You could do it automatically there or whatever. There's just like very rarely you see people at the bank anymore, And now we're doing our own groceries. Now you don't need have anyone there. You just pick up your stuff and then just walk out, and it just scans the stuff.
Have you done that before?
I haven't, but I saw that in an airport.
Okay.
And everything was all there, and it's just like one entry out and then one entry in. And that's it. You just go in, you pick up whatever, you just walk right out. And I don't know how that scans.
So
But,
when you
yeah.
go to the grocery store, do you choose the person, the cashier, or do you do the self checkout?
It all depends. Now, it all depends. If I have like a gift card, like my mom would give me like gift cards or whatever. Mine was cute. She's like, here's a Publix gift card. She gives me that. That I will definitely go to to the people there. I'll go to a person. But if I only have like 4 or 5 items, I'd quickly like do it myself. Or 10 items, I'd do it myself. But if it's like a gift card that I have, I go through the people, so they'll know what to do with it. I sometimes make a mistake, or I have to press more stuff that I have to regularly do, because I got to press this, then I got to zoom this, I got to press that again. I'll let them all do it there, but only when it comes to a gift card, I'll definitely do that. But if not, I'll just walk in, I just scan my own stuff. Too bad I don't get paid for that.
I mean, I don't remember the last time I've used the cashier.
Really?
If I have the option to do self checkout.
Yeah.
Which is I just rather it's bad. Because I
Yeah.
know community. You meet new people, you conversate.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I just rather go to self checkout. It doesn't matter if I have like a cart like mound full of stuff. I'm going to self checkout.
Yeah, I don't do that. No. Wow.
Because just using my Apple Pay, I just it's quicker for me. I just bag it and it's Apple Pay and out of there.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
don't have to make the awkward conversation with people I don't know.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. If it's a mountain of stuff, I would definitely go through a cashier.
Yeah.
Definitely. If it's only like less than 10 items,
Yeah.
I'll definitely go through the self checkout, or again, if it's a gift card. I don't care if it's like 3 items.
Even if it's the paying produce stuff where you have to put on the scale and you have to type in the numbers.
Yeah.
I don't care, man.
Yes,
I'm doing
sometimes
self-checkout.
like a banana, I get a huge thing, but a banana saying it's 3 cents. I'm like, okay, I put it in there and I pay the 3 cents. I don't know if it's wrong or right. I still don't know how much bananas cost.
You're the guy that rings up his organic bananas as regular bananas, huh? That's you.
Yeah,
I'm telling.
I don't know how much bananas cost anymore. I know it costs less than a cent sometimes. You know, it's
All
like
right, internet, you know what to do. Cancel this guy.
30 cents for bananas.
He needs
I
to
don't
be
even
stopped.
know.